next we have our mask category. So these are both going to be for retail and for home care. So our TrioLift Mask is our most popular mask. This contains a hydrolyzed sesame protein, and that's going to have kind of an instant firming effect on the skin. So it's not long term, but it's just a nice kind of like, oh, are you going out tonight? Oh, are you going to go somewhere where your ex is going to be? You throw one of these on and show them, like, I woke up like this. You know, it's one of those masks. It's great. Has a little Allantoin in there. It's really soothing. It's really calming. Shea Butter, super hydrating. We love it. Then we have our Igloo Mask, kind of in step with the Igloo Moist, like we just talked about. The Igloo Mask has that mentholated complex in it again, so it has kind of a cooling action to it. Has a little bit of arnica in there as well, so good for reducing swelling. Feels super, super nice. Just takes down redness and inflammation. And then last but not least, the MediClay Mask. This is a Kaolin Clay based mask, so it's really great at absorbing excess oil. We also have a touch of sulfur in there as well, so it's going to be really good for drawing out and drying out impurities and a more acneic skin. This is one of my favorite spot treatments. I slept with this on my chin last night because I'm getting a little friend, and it's already reduced half the size. So I tell my patients all the time, like, if you have some random breakouts, go ahead and sleep with a little dot of it on overnight, and it should really help it the next day. Yes?
If you're using it as a mask, would you just spot treat, or would you just put it all
Put it all over if you're going to use it as a mask. And then if they want to use it as a spot treatment, then now they can just spot treat wherever they need to. But I you know, if I have a full-blown acne patient, like if they're acne grade 3, grade 4, cystic nodular, I might tell them to just sleep with a thin layer of it on. You know, maybe like twice a week or something